The research project focused on the role of community engagement in the long-term retention of physicians. We knew that Colorado was very challenged, as were many other rural states, with retaining physicians. Our retention rate is somewhere between 30 and 40%. So we knew that there were opportunities for us to improve the educational process leading to rural practice, to try to address any missing links in the education that would try to reverse this problem with retention. Our project was funded by the Kopig Foundation and was done in conjunction with the Colorado Rural Health Center. One of the primary reasons that we discovered physicians don't stay, according to our 11 communities, was finances. The young graduates of residency that come out have huge debt from medical school and other training, and they just can't make it. So if they get an offer for twice the salary, perhaps with less work, because rural practice is very demanding, and they have a young family that they have to support, they leave. Not because they want to, but because they have to. Many of the communities have tried to address the financial problems through debt repayment and trying to make sure they have competitive salaries, but that's difficult then for the hospital. So it's a vicious cycle of disappointment when it comes to finances. The number two one that we traditionally hear as a reason why physicians don't stay is because their spouse is unhappy or can't find a job. And then the third most common one we heard about was education for their children. So if they're in a very small town and they're not happy with the educational environment and the possibilities for their children in that setting, they may leave once their children hit school age. So that 3 to 5 year turnover time is not uncommon. Along the way, we met some amazing physicians who, some have just been there short periods of time. We met one pediatrician who's been in practice a few years, and she's just totally in love with her community and said, I would never leave. And she and her husband are deeply engaged in the community and just love it to pieces. And that's the kind of people you need to get so that you can attract other people to see you can be happy.